waiting for the rider to come in. There's a lot of dish cabinet. There's a big dish cabinet here. It's all branded. Go dish cabinets. Kids toys. Riding horse kids toys. Red. This is also a chair. There is white here. White is an elegant color. Very famous, very branded. There's a lot of stuff here. Ito yung mga rack. Ito yung go, what this rack organizer? Rack organizer. Look at their stuff here. There's a lot of hanger. I have nothing to do but this drain is small. And also here, the baskets. Oh, laundry basket for your laundry. Oh, made of rattan plastic. Rattan design. So good. There is blue. There's a lot of hanger here. Brown hanger here. Hanger stocks. Hanger stocks is available here. The small one, laundry. Box, laundry organizer. Rattan plastic, made rattan plastic. The black chair. Available here. All this trainer. Nice as a pink for girls. These kids, boys. Oh, I have also bought this. Yes, elastic. This juicer, plastic juicer. And he chose the color blue. Blue design, blue color. There's already a faucet. Look at this. There's a faucet. There's a cover and a faucet here. This water jug. If you love pink, this is color pink here. See. Oh, this is a rice box. Full and clean rice box. And this is. And this is a basket organizer. Plastic basket organizer. Lots of plastic structure. Here is pail, pitcher. This one, the fruit tray. This is the fruit tray. Very beautiful fruit tray and organizer. There's fruit tray. This is this sticker. Wall sticker. PVC wall sticker. In color white, blue, and pink, and also wallpaper. This is one. This water dispenser. Look at this. That's all. Plastic trays. Rotary maps. That's up there. And have also some tray, food tray, for your food tray, picnic food tray, for your food tray. This is party plate and dustpan. There's also dustpan here. You need dustpan, there's dustpan. Lots of here. And there is water jug and juicer jug. There is already a faucet. What's so thick? This is thick plastic water jug, juicer jug. Beautiful picture. Picture is available here. The picture. Listen here, this. Look at this picture. A lot of here. This is the juicer. The rotary mop. With a remark here. Times. One times. Oh, this is saleable. This is the water jug, a water dispenser. Okay, mocha picture. Ah, there's a small balde. What you gonna do? What you gonna do with balde? Over there. There's a plastic glass here. Guys, thanks for watching, guys. Oh, this is my baby. So, baby feet. This cup and baby plate for your toddlers. Oh my god, this thanks for all watching, guys. Love you all.